The Sydney Opera House, an architectural masterpiece and an iconic symbol of Australia, graces the shores of Sydney Harbour with its distinctive and innovative design, designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has become a symbol of Sydney and a globally recognized symbol of modern architecture. Here, we explore the history, architecture, cultural significance, and enduring legacy of the Sydney Opera House. The idea for the Sydney Opera House took shape in the late 1950s when the New South Wales government decided to build a new opera house. An international design competition was launched in 1957, attracting 233 entries from architects around the world. Jørn Utzon's design, inspired by the sails of a yacht, emerged as the winning concept in 1957. Jørn Utzon's design for the Sydney Opera House is characterized by a series of white shell-like structures that form a distinctive silhouette against the Sydney skyline. The shell structures are supported by a series of concrete piers and house various performance venues, including the concert hall, opera theatre, drama theatre, playhouse, and the studio. The construction of the Sydney Opera House proved to be a complex and challenging endeavor. The unique design posed engineering challenges, and the development of new construction techniques and materials was necessary to bring Utzon's vision to life. Construction began in 1959 and was officially completed in 1973, delayed by numerous setbacks, including cost overruns and disputes. The Sydney Opera House was designated UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. Recognizing its outstanding architectural significance and contribution to world culture. It stands alongside other global landmarks as a testament to human creativity and innovation. The Sydney Opera House is a multi-venue performing arts complex, hosting a diverse range of events and performances. The concert hall, with its world-renowned acoustics, is home to the Sydney Symphony Orchestra. The opera theatre showcases opera and ballet performances, while the drama theatre, playhouse, and the studio offer spaces for a variety of theatrical productions. The Sydney Opera House has become an enduring symbol of Australia and its cultural vibrancy. Its distinct and recognizable design is synonymous with the identity of Sydney and the nation as a whole. The Opera House serves as a cultural hub, fostering creativity, artistic expression, and community engagement. The Sydney Opera House hosts an array of cultural events and festivals throughout the year. It is a venue for classical and contemporary music, opera, dance, theater, and cultural festivals, drawing performers and audiences from around the world. As one of the most visited landmarks globally, the Sydney Opera House attracts millions of tourists each year. Its unique design, picturesque location on Sydney Harbour, and cultural offerings make it a must-visit destination for both locals and international visitors. The Sydney Opera House is celebrated for its architectural innovation and influence on modern architecture. Its unique shell-like structures challenge traditional architectural norms, paving the way for a new era of design possibilities. The Sydney Opera House is transformed into a nighttime spectacle with its exterior illuminated by various lighting designs. Special light displays and projections often accompany significant events, turning the Opera House into a mesmerizing visual experience after dark. The Sydney Opera House stands as a testament to the power of visionary design and the enduring impact of iconic architecture. Its significance extends beyond its role as a performing arts venue. It is a symbol of cultural identity, innovation, and the dynamic spirit of Sydney and Australia. The Sydney Opera House remains an awe-inspiring testament to the fusion of artistic vision and engineering excellence.